my goodness. Ooh.
Thank you.
Thanks, Galen.
And Perry, thank you.
All right, thanks, Galen.
Before we go, of course, we have a live show coming up on March 20th in New York City. You can still get your tickets at 538.com.
Electronic cigarettes or vaping nearly doubled from 2017 to 2018. After a Bronxville teacher allegedly held a mock slave auction during class. News 12 reports that the 5th grade teacher educates students in social studies and had kids line up in the hallway.
How you doing?
I'm building an airplane in my garage.
Oh, another wacko. Is this the kind of plane that you fly with a remote control thing? Or
Take the next right onto Stillwater Boulevard North.
Yeah, but now you actually have time to plan stuff for that. But then we don't have to do everything either.
Yeah, it's true. Whereas for hers, we had like family members doing it, and that was
We're
just
gonna.
like,
So.
oh,
you,
honey.
What the fuck, dude? Come on! It's a fucking green light. Are you fucking? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my gosh.
Tristan. She. Woohoo, baby!
did you hit
That's
it?
the brakes, baby!
I think you hit it though.
No, I didn't. I never touched it.
Really?
That's the brakes, baby! I'll check right now for the light, but. Dude, I felt so much control in that fucking braking. Holy shit. You saw I was pulling right, it went right the other fucking direction, so I pulled left.
You're jacked up. You need a flashlight?
No.
Really?
No.
Hello? Hello?
Oh,
Hey, we're like 7 minutes away.
fucking piece of shit, dear.
Yo, we just.
Oh my god,
Oh.
I've never felt control like that.
That was nice.
Woo!
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face. Tell me that you love me, even if it's